A curb full of weeds is cleaned up thanks to a rapidly rotating wire brush that is attached to a street cleaner. Identical pieces of ice blocks are cut to size quickly by the use of a vertical table saw blade. A comforter is tightly spooled on an automatic arm for packaging and delivery purposes. An arm with a flexible blob on it is dipped into a silk screen pattern to decorate a bowl. Different size arms of this machine caving on themselves to bend pieces of metal to desired shapes. A chain link fence is constructed in just seconds by two parts of the same machine that are directions moving indifferent. Rapid rotation and a sharp blade works together to expose the concentric rings on a new saucepan. Foundation of oscillating poles work in unison with the rotating arm to wrap a hay bale in just seconds. A circular pipe is inserted into a pipe deformation machine that transforms the pipe into a square shape. Tricolored ice cream is packaged up neatly every single time with perfect timing. Six separate arms of this machine all perform different tasks to create a perfectly coiled heavy-duty spring. A double-arced machine shears noodles to their exact size and launches them into steaming water for cooking. Five mechanical parts move in perfect synchronicity to bind the links on heavy-duty chain. The arm of this pasta cutting machine rotates in a circular motion to cut ripped elbow pasta. A mechanical arm scoops up a wrecked car and drops it into a car compactor that turns it into a cube of scrap metal. A triangular metal template moves vertically to perfectly scored triangular cuts that form a piece of expanded metal. Two parts of this machine rotate together to craft the same exact size thread every time. An automatic arm drops down to fasten, rotate and peel a coconut in under 5 seconds. Power wash with adjustable arm is used to remove brown sludge from a clogged pipe.